Morning, students, today we are going to learn a story, A Talkative Tortoise. Now you listen it carefully. Once upon a time, a tortoise lived in a tank. He was very good friend with two geese. Every day, all three of them would have friendly chats with each other at the tank. They were happy in each other's company. Then there was a drought that lasted for many months. The tank and rivers started drying up under the blazing sun. People and animals were starving. The birds started to fly away to more fertile lands. The two geese also decided to save themselves. They planned to go away to some other place. Just before leaving, they came to bid a sad goodbye to their friend the tortoise. The poor tortoise could not tolerate to see his geese friends leave him behind to die. Please do not go like this, my dear friend. You let down your friend. If you leave me here, I will surely die too. I cannot tolerate life without you both. The tortoise said this because the tank where he lived was also drying away. The geese wondered how they could save their friend the tortoise. The problem was that they did not know how to take him along because the tortoise could not fly. The tortoise came up with an idea. He told the geese to get him a stick that he could hold between his teeth. You can carry me to a more fertile land, flying slowly while holding the two ends of the stick, said the tortoise. But the geese were worried that if the tortoise opened his mouth by mistake to speak, he would lose his grip on the stick and would fall down and die. The tortoise promised, I will not open my mouth. Finally, the day of the journey came. The geese flew off, carrying him the tortoise with them. They flew higher and higher over hills, valleys, fields, and plains. Finally, they flew over a city. The people of the city were amazed to see such a strange sight. They clapped their hands and commented how wonderful it was to see the intelligent and clever geese to carry the tortoise like that. Shouting and clapping annoyed the tortoise. He could not tolerate the people praising the geese for carrying him. He grew jealous and wanted to tell them that it was all his idea. Unable to bear it any more, he decided to scold them. But as soon as he opened his mouth to speak, he lost his grip on the stick and fell to the ground. And so the poor tortoise was killed, all because of his foolish tolerance. Now, students, you understand the story A Talkative Tortoise? Now, you understand the meaning of tolerance? Students, tolerance is the virtue of a civilized age. It is the virtue which helps us to put up with those who have different ways and opinions and outlook on life. Tolerance means accepting and valuing differences between people and appreciating that these differences enrich us. It organizes that each of us has a limited perspective on the world and that together our insights and virtues are greater than those of any one person, tribe, or culture alone. So now, tolerance acknowledges the vastness of reality and cherishes the many human faces of that reality. Now, you understand tolerance is really a very highly useful quality. It is one of the basic principles of good manners. Students, we can do justice if we are tolerant to hearing the different views of others. If we are tolerant, we can make the due assessment of the views of others. Man is a social being and has to live in a spirit of harmony and cooperation with others. In this process, some amount of give and take is necessary, a capacity for compromise. Okay, all of you understand? Thank you. Have a nice day.